Hello everyone, today we will make no chocolate, no cream delicious chocolate cake. In a blender add 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, then blend them until combined. Then gradually add 1 cup of vegetable oil. If the mixture is very heavy, add 1/4 cup of milk. The chocolate sauce is ready. Then separate half of the chocolate sauce and leave it aside. Knead to 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then add eggs to the other half of the chocolate sauce, then blend them. Knead to 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt. Then mix them. Then add the liquid mixture to the dry ingredients. Then mix until dry ingredients disappear. Then add the chocolate cake mixture to the 22 cm tray. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. If you have a cake mold, put the cake mold around the chocolate cake, then pour the chocolate sauce above the chocolate cake. After that, remove the cake mold. Cut the cake, then serve it. Very delicious and easy chocolate cake. Enjoy it.